Doing a little Sunday morning driving. Haven't done a dash cam in a while, but I am heading to Home Depot because I'm excited. It's 25 degrees out right now, but it's going up to 57 degrees today, and it's going to be warm. It's not going back below freezing for the rest of the spring. That's my prediction, because as of right now, it's not going below 37 for the next 2 weeks, and it's Palm Sunday, so I think we're far enough along that I think the worst of the winter is over and spring is getting ready to spring. So I'm excited. That means it's court painting season, and I can get to painting my tennis courts, pickleball courts, basketball courts, March Madness, basketball line specials. So I'm heading out to get supplies on a Sunday morning. Hopefully everybody hasn't made it to Home Depot yet, but doing a nice little Sunday drive, dash cam. Give you guys a little bit of, I haven't done a dash cam of Harding and New Vernon in a while. Not going to do any commentary. There's a lot going on in town. For instance, the corner here where Weikert and Bill's Deli, that has been purchased and going to be turned into a coffee shop and bookstore. I've just been informed that my dash just told me that it's 25 degrees. I know. So it's nice and chilly. We see the sunrise on Village Road. Probably not going to do too much more. Just wanted to give you a little early morning dash cam. Sunday morning drive. Ain't she purty? All right. I'll see y'all later.